Hello everyone, today I'm about to simply teach you how you can sign up for a DoorDash driver account, or as the website itself states, DoorDasher. In order for you to sign up as a DoorDash driver, it is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video till the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, simply go to any browser you want and simply write DoorDash driver. And as you can see, the first link that is going to pop up is going to become a DoorDash driver. As you can see, simply click on that. Once you have done that, as you can see, it's going to take you to www.doordash.com/dasher/signup. And in order for you to sign up, you'll have to go ahead and enter your zip or postal code of the area that you are going to be delivering on, or that you have access to. And then once you click on next, you'll have to go ahead and enter your email right over here, and then click on next. And then you'll basically have to go ahead and enter your phone number and click on continue. And then once you have done that, a verification code will be sent to your mobile device as a message, and all you have to do is enter the verification code, which will be asked over here, and then your account should be made, and you can make up to $22 per hour working for DoorDash. So if you thought this video was informational, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you for watching.